What is a green building? A green building is designed in an ecological way so that it uses all the available natural resources efficiently and is responsible towards the environment. During each and every stage of construction of the building, the different stages of construction of a green building includes the planning of the building, construction of the building, recurring maintenance, renovation, and demolition of the building. These stages of construction can be classified into broad categories that are essential for qualifying as a green building. The broad categories include site selection and planning. While planning, all the trees and natural vegetation should be preserved at the site. They should be integrated within the design of the building. Passive architecture techniques should be integrated within the design of the building. For example, the building and all the windows should be oriented according to the position of the sun and the direction of the wind. The well-being of all the construction workers should also be taken into account. There should be adequate bathrooms, good sanitation at the site, and safety features that shall prevent any kinds of accidents. During the construction of the building, water management, the overall consumption and wastage of water should be reduced by using efficient methods. This can be done by using water efficient plumbing fixtures in the bathroom and kitchen of the building. A good rainwater harvesting system should be incorporated within the roof and outdoor areas of the building. The design should incorporate recharge trenches or recharge pits that diverts the rainwater into groundwater table. A wastewater recycling plant should be installed within the building premises to recycle the wastewater instead of releasing it directly into the sewer. The recycled water can be used for gardening and for flushing the toilets. Energy efficiency of the building. A green building should be energy efficient with low operating costs. Air conditioning cost and overall maintenance costs. The renewable energy sources include adequate natural lighting that lights up the interiors for most of the day. This helps in reducing the overall electricity cost. It is essential to install solar heaters which use solar energy to heat water. Solar panels should be incorporated within the roof of the building to harness solar power. The prevent indoor heat gain. The building should be insulated by using hollow bricks for construction. A reflective roof rating or a roof garden can keep the building cool in summer. Water bodies should be integrated within the indoors and outdoors because they keep the surroundings cool. With the process of evaporative cooling, Keep an adequate number of plants within the indoors and outdoors. Creating a healthy indoor environment. A green building ensures good comfort levels along with the well-being of its occupants. The position of all the windows is designed to ensure cross ventilation, and some designs incorporate courtyards to allow cool air to flow within the building. The kitchen, bathrooms and basements should have exhaust fan to extract dampness, indoor air pollutants and foul odors from these areas. Only low VOC sealants, paints and adhesive should be used for construction of the building. This is because they do not cause indoor air pollution and do not emit toxic gases. The indoor and outdoor noise levels should be within acceptable limits as per the local bylaws of the particular area. Apart from this, there should be good accessibility for people with disabilities. The bathrooms, ramps and elevators have to be wheelchair accessible. Building materials and resources. A green building is constructed with sustainable building materials like bricks, bamboo, terracotta, wood of fast growing trees, and rammed earth, to name a few. These materials are locally sourced, are easily available, and are cost effective because of their low cost of transportation. Green buildings are also constructed with recycled materials. Ash, which is by-product of thermal power plant, and by reusing materials like wood, which are salvaged from old building construction. Another criterion is that during construction, minimum amount of wastage should be produced at the site. After construction, all the building construction waste should be efficiently segregated into different categories like wood, plastic, brick and mortar, concrete, steel, soil, etc. To conclude, a building qualifies as a green building if these parameters are taken into account while planning, designing and construction of the building. The design parameters makes a green building sustainable, energy efficient with a low carbon footprints, and highly responsible towards the environment. Thank you.